Hello, this is Asavri here. I welcome you all to Investment Guru India presenting weekly podcast. Let's take a quick glance at market outlook. On global front, the trade tensions between US and China still continues. There were also tensions seen between India and China. The second wave of pandemic hit the China has also raised a concern between the investors. On domestic front, the GDP data was released. Jan to March quarter GDP slipped down to 3.1% even after the lockdown started in the last week of March. It was the lowest GDP numbers in last 44 quarters. Already slowing Indian economy is hit hard by the COVID-19. The worst numbers are yet to come, says the experts. The second most important thing to note here is there is increase in fiscal deficit. The difference between the income and expenditure has increased from 3.8% to 4.6%. Lastly, the lifting of lockdown will have an impact on economy and markets. It will help give the market its trends on how the businesses will be performing. If we look at market performance of past week, Nifty ended positive by 6%. If we do sectorial analysis, all the indices closed in green, but Bank Nifty, auto, metal, and realty sectors managed to outperform the key benchmark index. For coming weeks, if we look for levels, Nifty's resistance is placed near 9877 level, while the support will be placed near 8980 level. For Bank Nifty, the first resistance is placed near 19523 level, while the second resistance will be placed at 20100 level. For Bank Nifty, support lies at 17441 level. Stock specifics. DLF is good to buy. The stock has currently given a triangle breakout. You can buy this stock near current market price with the stop loss of 145. My second stock will be HDFC Limited. It is a medium term position where you can buy this stock at current market price with the stop loss of 1595. The stock has shown a positive pattern called as bullish engulfing pattern. Thank you. Hope this information was useful for you. Stay safe and have a safe trading and investing. Thank you.